Well, folks, it appears that I got some good news and some bad news. Unfortunately, the bad news is this is going to have to be a two-part video. I thought it was going to be a three-part, but I recently got a graphic card that will be perfect for this machine. Yep, is the ATI FireGel 8600 graphic card. It's a 1 GB graphic card. Sick looking, really. But the problem is, do you see what the problem is when it comes to this type of case? Yep, that's right. The thing is too big. It will not fit in. So therefore, I will not be able to use this graphic card. Oh well, tisk tisk. That's alright. But for those of you who want to do something like this, and you have a case like this, well, do not buy this type of graphic card. Buy a bigger tower if you want to install something like this, which is what I'm going to be having soon, because to be honest, this is not the case I'm going to be using for my gaming machine. So in conclusion, as you can see, the operating system is already installed. This computer is pretty much ready for gaming, but also for high performance use. Now, how long will I be using this graphic card? God only knows how long. I might get a better upgraded model of it. Probably going to go, this is the GDDR4, but I'll go for the GDDR5 soon and start using the 2 gig model. I hear that they have better graphic acceleration on that one, better than this. But this one, for the time being, I like to try it out and see what it's capable of. I think it's going to do exactly fine. We'll see what happens. But until then, I hope this video is very helpful to you guys. To those of you who can't afford a tower but supposedly got the motherboard and everything that you needed, you can still put it on your old tower if you want to, and then by the time you start saving some money, you can go ahead and do some upgrade. You can upgrade your tower. It's all up to you guys. I'm probably gonna do a video review on my new tower for this particular computer. I probably might. Well, only time will tell. We'll see what happens. Until then, I hope everybody enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, leave a like. If you want to comment on the video, feel free to comment and subscribe to my channel. And don't miss another one. Hopefully within 1 week, I'll start posting more videos. We'll see what happens then. Until then, fellas, see you later.